Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video I want to show you how to invite someone to a list that you've created on Amazon, or how you basically share that list with them. So once you sign into your Amazon account, guys, let's say you sign into your account, you want to look to the upper right hand side where you have hello account and list, hover over that and simply click on the list that you want to, let's say, add a person to. Now, once the list is open, you will find the invite button just below the name of the list. And as you can see here, my list is currently public as well. So you want to click on that invite, and here you can choose how you want to invite that person. So you can give them view and edit rights, and the edit rights simply mean that they can add or remove item to the list, or you just want them to be able to view it. So just simply go ahead and click and view only if that's the choice you want, and you can send them an email by simply click on invite by email, and basically you can just click on that option. It's going to open up your Outlook if you have Outlook set up. Otherwise, if you don't have Outlook set up, I would recommend just copy the link and you can just, open up your Gmail or something like that and send them an email real quick with, the link to that product or that list. But that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and invite someone to a list on Amazon.